Welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force. Today I'm here with Toxille, and he's the designer behind our new Sukhoi Su-30SM fighter jet. Used by the Russian Air Force. We have it in two liveries, the gray one and the blue one, and these are actually being used in the Russo-Ukrainian war. And this developed from the Sukhoi Su-27, so that's why it looks similar. So definitely we needed a modern Russian fighter jet. It's a multi-role one, and it was introduced in 1996. So let's go check out the design. So here we have the landing gear out. They have this like red on the inside of their landing gear door. This is supposed to be a red number over here, covered by blue. Then we got the cockpit, and we got this nice camouflage pattern with blue, dark blue, and this light gray. And we got the red star on the wings and the vertical stabilizer. And here's what it looks like in the back. We got the twin engines. And this loadout has an R-73 and R-27 air-to-air missiles. So we have that loaded out. And yeah, we also have it in flying mode. So here's how it looked like in flight. You would tuck in all the landing gear doors, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. Definitely, I think Sukhoi has one of the coolest looking fighter jets. And we also have it in gray, so it's using the same underbelly with like a light blue, but we have gray on top, and this is like another popular color scheme that they seem to be adding. And it also does say Russian Air Force on the vertical stabilizer here in the back for both versions. And there are some asymmetrical elements to this build. And over here you'll notice this part is slightly shaded compared to the other side, and that's because they have a 30mm Shipunov autocannon right here. So it does have a machine gun. And we also have the Russian naval jack over here on both sides. So I guess maybe the gray ones are just for the Russian Navy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this build, and thanks again to Toxille for actually designing this. Give him credit if you are building this. Anyways, let's get started. So for this tutorial, I actually have a material list. Gives you everything that you need to build this. I know a lot of people have asked for that, and apparently you can do this with light Matica. And for the dimensions, it's 34 blocks long, its wingspan is 23 blocks long, and its height is 9.5 blocks. Alright, so let's get started here by building this center main frame. So first off, you'll place this chain, and that's going to be 4 blocks above the ground like this. Right behind it, we want smooth quartz slabs. Smooth quartz 3 blocks long. Snow layer, this is apparently 2 layers tall. Smooth quartz slab, an end portal frame, a black concrete, this red glazed terracotta, and this cyan terracotta is going to be 7 blocks long, and then 3 of these light blue concretes, and add in all these blocks on top. And these blocks on the bottom, we want the prismarine brick just because it's a lighter shade. Some slabs here, some stairs. You can build up this landing gear. Haven't added the button yet. And after that, we'll add an end portal, a smooth quartz slab, 2 daylight detectors, 2 warp trap doors, and prismarine brick blocks all the way across, and build all these blocks underneath like this. After that, in the back, we'll add in a light blue concrete. This is going to be 7 blocks long, 2 carpets there, 4 fence gates, 4 slabs, 2 end portals, a slab, and a warp trap door. So after you finish this thing, very good job. So the next step, we're just adding stuff to the side of it. So we're adding white glass panes here, light blue glass panes, and prismarine walls here. Prismarine brick stairs. I'm going to corner this one here. And then 2 slabs, stairs upside down, and on top some stairs outwards, and a site wall, chain over here, and then warp sign to the side of this. And we want to make these banners. So apparently the banners look like this, and you just make it with the loom. It's just a cyan banner. It looks like all of them cyan. I'm not going to baby you in this tutorial. I'll just tell you what they are. It's just a black dye on the top row of this one, and do the same thing, but add in a light blue column on the right hand side. And then do the same thing, but make this black part, I guess, more down here, like the upper half, not the third. And you would basically place these banners inside over here, but change its side. And then it's like a stone stairs here, stone slab, daylight detector, warp trap door, cyan carpet, light blue carpet. And inside here is going to be a prismarine brick stairs, and then 4 of these polished deep slate stairs, and then 2 deep slate tile stairs. And then we'll add in signs to the side of this. Then on the underside of this, we want to add in some more of these stairs. So this is going to be, I don't know, can you call this the afterburners? And you just add in all these blocks. Yeah, I guess including these warp trap doors. Later they're going to be useful for the air intakes. All right. And then the other side pretty much looks pretty similar. This whole part is going to be the same thing. The only different part is going to be this over here. Where I said before, this is where the autocannon is, so that's why this is like a different color. So that's going to be swapped. Also, the camouflage over here looks to be different as well. It looks like it changes right here, so it changed this into like prismarine brick slab. And stairs here, and walls, and then yeah, just build the other side. Just in case you need to see it, I'll go around. And we'll also add in a warp button to the side of the landing gear wheel. Alrighty. And don't forget to add in this warp sign to the side of this. Might not be apparent. There also is another one here to the side of that. Both sides. Alrighty. So for the next layer, we're just building outwards again. So for this layer, I'll go on this side. Just add in prismarine brick slab here, 4 blocks long. Then a warp trap door, and then 2 black concretes on a diagonal. And then we'll add in daylight detectors, 5 blocks wide here, trap door, a light gray carpet, and yeah, just add in blocks over here. This is prismarine brick block, 2 here, and then the bottom, this part, there should be 6 blocks long, and then stairs on top, carpets on top here, and then we'll extend this stairs so it's like a 2x2. And here's how it looks like from the other side. And just copy it, and this part's a little bit different as well, the camouflage. So it's going to be a warp trapdoor and then sand carpet. It's going to be a little bit different. Alright, after that, moving on to the next step, we're getting there. We're just building this layer out over here. It's like 2 warp trapdoors and then 3 stairs. This one's cornered. Then a prismarine block here, then 2 andesite slabs, skip block another one. And then add in this landing gear design, just birch fence. And then birch fence gates, and then warp fence gate, warp trap door, and then carpets on top. And we'll also start on this vertical stabilizer. Here's how that looks like. Got this nice camouflage pattern design. Yeah, I'll show you all the way around it. And then this fence gate sticks out the back. And here's how it looks like from the other side. The camouflage design is different per side, so that's why it's going to be a little bit different. So keep that in mind. On top, iron trap door, smooth quartz slab. And yeah, here's how it looks like. There's also these buttons over here, mangrove button, stone button. On the other side, yeah, they do exist there, so make sure you add that. And then warp trap doors here just to cover up the rest of that air intake. And just build it like that. Alright, next step. Alright, so for this layer, we're just adding this canard here. So just warp trap doors on a diagonal like that. Carpet over here, and then prismarine brick stairs, upside down, 2 blocks long. Corner this one up. And then stairs upside down facing the other way. This one's 4 blocks long, slab here, and then carpets on top. And in the back, we'll add in these warp trap doors. This is 5 blocks long, and then light blue carpet on top. And on the vertical stabilizer, you want to add in these 2 buttons here, button up here, and this banner. I'll show you how to make it later, and the buttons on the other side. Alright, to make the red star, it looks like this. You'll need a red banner, and then go inside the loom, and then you'll place in a light blue dye. Just horizontally like this, put it back inside. Then we're going to add in red dye with a flower charge banner design. Then we'll take that, put it back inside, and then add in a light blue dye on the top half and light blue dye on the bottom half. Like this, put it back inside. And then red dye, we want a diamond in the middle. And then light blue dye, we want a triangular, like a mountain in the middle, bottom. And that's how you would make this thing. And just in case you're confused, this is what all the patterns look like. And you just place that right there. And then the other side, warp trapdoors again. This time this is a little camouflage here, so this changes color. And then we'll add in a slab here, stairs, then, you know, upside down stairs like that, camouflage on top, and the canard right there. Alrighty, so next step, we're just adding a warp trapdoor to the tip of the canard, and we're building up the wing again. So this is going to be a prismarine brick slab, 6 blocks long, 2 warp trapdoors here, and carpets on top. And in the back, we'll add in 4 of these warp trapdoors, carpets on top, a little cyan carpet in the corner. Now other side, we'll add in warp trapdoors here, cyan carpet on top, and then we'll build up again the wing here, trapdoors, carpet, trapdoor there. Alright, next step, I think we're just building the 2 wings now. We're just adding another layer here, just stairs upside down, 4 blocks long, corner the front one, slab in the back, and then some fence gates here in the middle, and then our skeleton skull in the front, carpets on top, and this back section will add in 2 warp trapdoors, dark oak trapdoor right there, carpets on top. Alright, down the other side, we'll add in trapdoors here, carpets on top, and then stairs over here, add in the missile again, camouflage on top. Alright, next layer, we're building yet another pair of missiles, so just build this missile thing again here. I guess it's like a block back diagonally. And then a slab here, and then this time it's going to be prismarine brick stairs facing inwards. It's like 4 blocks long. Yeah, like that. And then slab here in the back. Camouflage on top. Back part, dark oak, trapdoor, carpet on top. Cyan. Other side, dark oak trapdoor, carpet on top, light blue carpet. And then we're building up the other side. Here's that missiles slab, and then stairs here, the slab here, and the 2 missiles. Carpets on top. Alright, next up, we'll add in another row of prismarine brick slabs, so 5 blocks long here. Carpets on top. This time we're done with the back part, so we're just working on the main wing. So slabs over here and carpets on top. Alright, next step, we'll add in prismarine brick stairs upside down here, corner the edges up and make it 4 blocks wide. Carpets on top, and another missile here with their skeleton skull this time. And then the other side, add in the missile here again, and then stairs, and then add in carpets on top. Alright, so this is the last step. Finally, you're getting close to the finish line, so just bear with me. Just add in 4 slabs here, another slab here in the back, and then these 2 prismarine brick stairs like that, corner that one. Carpets on top, and then these fence gates at the other side, or going to the front. Now for the other side, yet again, prismarine brick slabs, 4 blocks long, 1 in the back, and then 2 stairs here, fence gates, and carpets on top. And yeah, that's actually pretty much it on how to make this Sukhoi Su-30. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks again to Toxille for designing this build. If you guys do want to see more tutorials like this, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our Discord server, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.